What if a laptop could give you desktop-level gaming power, but also think for itself and adjust settings to keep you running smooth? That's exactly what Acer is promising with the Predator Helios Neo 16S AI in 2025. But the big question is this: how does it actually feel to game on it? Stick around because the gaming experience is where we'll start. Well, and you'll see if this is the right machine for you. Welcome back to Tap Tech, the channel where we break down the latest gadgets in simple words and share what really matters. Today we're reviewing the Acer Predator Helios Neo 16S AI. We'll begin with the part that matters most: dash gaming. Fire up a game like Cyberpunk 2077 or Call of Duty. The first thing you notice is how effortlessly this laptop handles demanding titles. The RTX 50 series GPU paired with Intel's 15th Gen Core Ultra processors delivers frame rates that rival desktop rigs. Ultra settings with ray tracing, no problem. DLSS and frame generation make even the most graphically intense moments look smooth, with no stutter or screen tearing. Competitive shooters like Valorant or Apex Legends easily push well past 200 frames per second. Taking full advantage of the 250 Hz refresh rate display, it feels fast, sharp, and responsive. And here's where things get interesting. Unlike other gaming laptops where you need to tweak performance modes, the AI here does it for you. The system automatically shifts power, cooling, and GPU allocation depending on the game you're playing. If you're in a lighter title, it saves battery and stays quiet. The moment you launch something demanding, it unlocks full power instantly. That means you spend less time messing with settings and more time gaming. Thermals are another big part of the experience. Even during long sessions, the laptop manages heat really well. The new AeroBlade cooling system, with liquid metal on both CPU and GPU, keeps performance stable. The fans do ramp up, but they're quieter than expected, and heat is pushed away from the keyboard area. Can game for hours without throttling or discomfort. Now let's pause here for a mini hook. Most laptops can play games well when you first buy them, but many struggle to stay consistent under load. The Helios Neo 16S AI is built differently. It's designed to hold that performance long term, and that's what makes it stand out. Shifting to creative performance, the AI cores inside the new Intel processors also accelerate tasks like video editing, 3D rendering, and content creation. Editing 8K video timelines feels fluid, and rendering times are noticeably shorter compared to last year's models. It's not just a gaming laptop, it doubles as a workstation for creators who need speed and reliability. After spending time gaming, you start to notice the little details that shape the overall experience, and one of those is the display. The Helios Neo 16S AI features a 16-inch mini LED panel with a 2560 by 1600 resolution and up to 250 Hz refresh rate. The display is bright, crossing 1000 nits in HDR mode, with deep blacks and stunning contrast. Colors are accurate and vibrant, making it perfect not just for gaming but also for editing photos or videos. Motion is incredibly smooth, with almost no ghosting. Watching movies feels immersive thanks to the slim bezels and wide color range. But here's the real trick. Acer uses AI to adapt the display. If you're just browsing, the refresh rate drops to save battery. If you're gaming, it ramps back up instantly. The brightness also adjusts intelligently to your environment. This balance between power and efficiency is something most laptops don't get right. But here it feels seamless. Design-wise, the Helios Neo 16S AI keeps the Predator identity but polishes it. The chassis is made of aluminum with sharp but cleaner lines than older models. The matte finish feels premium, and the glowing Predator logo on the lid is more subtle this time around. It's still bold, but not overdone. At 16 inches, it's not the lightest laptop, but it's portable enough for its class. The hinge is solid, supporting one-handed opening, and the build feels sturdy with no flex on the lid or keyboard deck. Open it up, and you get a full-size keyboard with a IO-assisted lighting. When you launch a game, the system highlights your WASD and important keys automatically. When you switch to work, the lighting calms down into a softer scheme. It's clever, and it actually helps in dark environments. The keys feel responsive, with deep travel and a satisfying click, making both typing and gaming comfortable. The touchpad is larger and smoother than before, with accurate gestures and reliable tracking. Speakers are another surprise. Art has upgraded the setup to 6 speakers with Dolby Atmos tuning. Sound fills the room with clear highs, detailed mids, and strong bass. Explosions in games feel punchy. Dialogue in movies sounds crisp, and music plays with depth. For creators, the clarity is good enough for audio editing without external gear, and with support for high-res audio, using good headphones makes the experience even better. Software ties everything together. Predator Sense has been rebuilt to take advantage of AI, instead of you digging into every setting the system suggests. The best performance mode for what you're doing. Network optimization, fan profiles, and display adjustments are handled intelligently. You can still customize everything if you want, but for most users, the AI takes away the hassle. Battery life is another area where you feel the AI's impact. Gaming still drains the battery quickly as expected, but during light use, the system stretches power much further. You can expect 7 to 8 hours of regular work, which is impressive for a laptop of this size and power. Fast charging gets you back to 50% in about 30 minutes, and USB-C charging adds flexibility for travel. Connectivity is excellent. You get multiple USB-C ports with Thunderbolt 5, HDMI 2.14, higher fresh external monitors, USB-A ports for peripherals, an Ethernet port for wired gaming, and an SD card reader for creators. Wi-Fi 7 and BLUETOOTH 5.4 make wireless connections faster and more stable. Nothing feels missing here. Now let's talk value, because this is not a cheap machine. The Helios Neo 16 SAI sits in the premium category. But you're paying for more than just specs. You're paying for an intelligent system that optimizes itself for gaming, work, and efficiency. Compared to bulkier gaming laptops, it's slimmer and smarter. If you just want an affordable gaming laptop, this won't be for you. But if you want something future-ready with AI integration and top-tier performance, the price feels justified. The pros are clear. Incredible gaming experience, AI-driven optimization, premium build, bright and fast display, strong cooling, impressive speakers, and excellent connectivity. The cons: high price, larger body compared to slimmer laptops, and AI features that may feel unnecessary if you like full manual control. The final verdict is simple. The Acer Predator Helios Neo 16 SAI is one of the smartest gaming laptops of 2025. It doesn't just throw power at every task, uses AI to balance performance, efficiency, and usability. Gamers get high frame rates, creators get fast workflows, and everyday users get a laptop that stays quiet and saves battery when needed. If you want a laptop that's powerful, adaptive, and built to last, this is one of the best choices this year. Thanks for watching Tap Tech, where we bring you honest reviews without the fluff. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dives into the latest tech.